All right, so area of triangles, we found the area. We took our parallelogram and cut it in half because that's how we know that the area is base times height divided by 2 to get the area of a triangle. Okay? We wrote the standard. No one's talking. And now we're moving on to the input. There is a language of the discipline you need to know. There are 2. Please draw the lips for your gate icon, language discipline. The first word is congruent figures. When a figure is congruent, all that means is it is the same shape and size. It is the same shape and size. Second one you need to know, which we didn't know, is a triangle. A triangle, just like we learned in kindergarten, is a 3-sided figure. Go ahead and write that down, pencil up when you have it. Oh, I'm hoping I don't hear anyone talking during input. In a different color that you have, because it is very important to write this down, in a different color than you have, please write down that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, which also means base times height divided by 2. Write that down, highlight it, star it, so you can easily find the formula. So we're going to write down the steps for this problem. Here we go. To find the area of the triangle, you step 1, first have to write or know the formula, which is 1/2 base times height, which you can just do the base times height divided by 2, same thing. Step 2, you substitute in the numbers for the formula. So you're going to substitute the numbers. So that means you replace the numbers for the variables in the equation. If the base is 4, you substitute in 4 for the b. Okay? Step 3, we're going to multiply the base and height. We're going to multiply the base times the height. Step 4, you're going to divide by 2. And lastly, which is very important, because if you don't write it this way, you'll get it wrong, is to write in square units, which means something like inches squared. So you write the formula, substitute, multiply base and height, divide it by 2, and put it in square units. That's it. Easy. If you follow those steps, you'll get it right every single time unless your multiplication is a little off. But we're awesome at multiplication, so that won't be a problem. Once you have written down those steps, you will have your pencil up in the air. Well, Bottle's not ready. We're still in input. Now, a lot of times when you see examples, the example is going to give you the whole parallelogram, and you have to figure out the area of the triangle in the parallelogram. Okay? That's why we did that in the beginning. So you can visually and spatially see it. I see maybe one person with a pencil in the air showing me that they're ready. Oh, now all of a sudden there's 13 people with this in the air. More seconds. Okay, so we are now going to move on to modeling. I have this feeling that Travis is going to be the best model ever. Here we go. Let's walk in a circle off the one. All right, on the count of three. Oh, where's Travis? On the count of three, there he is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Modeling. Watch him go down the runway. Oh, our model seems to be a gangster today. All right. Wait to the camera, model. Awesome job, Travis. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Room's quiet. Room's quiet. Room is quiet. All right, here we go. You might get a question that says, find the area of each triangle. Find the area of each triangle. We're going to do some drawing today. So here's number 1. I'm going to draw a triangle. But first, it's going to be drawn as a parallelogram. And they're going to dot some lines for you. And then they're going to give you the actual triangle.
Is it a 6 by 6?
It's a right. I'm talking, you're not. It's a right angle. Right here is 8 inches. And down here is 10 inches. Go ahead and draw that. Your dotted lines are on the left side, or the right side, and the top. So the triangle of this parallelogram, when they cut it in half, is this area right here. Go ahead and highlight the triangle. So this will be very simple. Step number 1 tells me to write the formula. I know that the formula is 1/2 base times height, which is going to be base times height divided by 2, right? Step 2 tells me to substitute in the numbers for the variable. Okay, let's see. I'm going to make my base my pink highlighter. And my height, my yellow highlighter. Oh, I have green. Okay, my green highlighter. And my height right now is 8 inches. And my base is the 10 inches. So I'm going to substitute in those numbers. So it's 1/2. My base is 10. My height is 8. My base is 10. My height is 8. So if you spatially color code your notes, you will not mess up. So that way you'll be ready to do it when we get there later. Pencil up when you've gotten as far as I have. Take your time. I do use these. Very nice. Alright, so therefore, I'm going to step 3, multiply the base and the height. I know that 8 times 10 is 80. So step 4 tells me to take that 80 and divide it by 2. Because 1/2 times 80 means 80 divided by 2, right? We know that. So I just multiply. 80 divided by 2 is 40. And step 5, I'm going to write it in square inches. So my answer is 40 inches squared. Done. That's it. Base times height, divide by 2.
Spill on it.
Right? Okay, so just to re-explain, you have 1/2 times 80. When you multiply by a whole number, you put it over what? Over what?
1.
Over what? 1 times 80 is 80. 2 times is 2. So it's 1/2 times the whole number is the same thing as the number divided by 2. Oh, light bulb, right? So then that's how you get the 40. So you will be good if you just multiply base times height and divide by 2. Tell the person next to you what you need to do. Multiply that. When you are done, put your hands on your head. When you're done, put your hands on yours. When you're done, put your hands on your shoulders. When you're done, pick up your pencil. There we go. Here we go. So you might get a figure that looks like, ooh, this is fancy. This is a parallelogram, and it has its own height. Don't be scared, because in this parallelogram, the solid lines show you the triangle. My triangle is right here.
That's not hard to draw.
You can do it. Draw 2 parallel lines going this way. You draw 2 parallel lines going this way. So I know my formula is 1/2 base times height. I'm going to multiply the base and the height and divide it by 2. Now, my height is 20 feet. My base is 18 feet. So I'm going to substitute 1/2. My base is 18. My height is 20. 18 times 20 is 360. 360 divided by 2 is 180 feet squared. So all I did, I multiplied 18 times 20 and I divided it by 2. One more. We'll have to finish our guided independent after lunch. Okay, this next one's a little easier to draw. Okay? So draw a rectangle. I'm dotted on the top and the side. So therefore my triangle is the solid lines. This triangle's a right angle. My height is 11 yards and my base is 4 yards. All you're doing is base times height divided by 2. So my base is 4. My height is 11. 4 times 11 is? 44. Then I take 44. I'm going to divide it by 2. and I'm going to get
22.
22
Oh, that's easy.
yards
Square.
We will do one C40 question. Actually, we'll just do it when we come back to one. Leave it on your desk, please. You can put it. Stop it.